Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna show you how I did this copper shimmery eye look today. To begin with, I've already prepped my skin. Now I'm gonna move on to the primer. I'm using NYX's Honeydew Me Up primer. Since I'm doing a dewy finish, I'm using this primer. This primer is almost as sticky as honey in texture. To color correct, I'm using orange under my eyes and a bit in the pigmented areas. The foundation, I'm using MAC Studio Fix foundation in shade NC35. I'm using a stippling brush to gently dab the foundation all over my face, making sure I do not disturb the orange color corrector. I'm going to use a wet sponge to even out the foundation without any brush-like strokes with a dab motion. Also, I'm going to do the same on the neck. Next up for concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in shade 130 Medium, using it on the areas that I want to highlight, like under my eyes, bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin, and a little bit above my jawline. I'm gonna blend it out really well. I'm gonna contour my face with the Nicka foundation stick in the shade Toffee Chisel, cutting through my cheeks, my jawline, my forehead, and a little bit on the nose and blending it out. I'm gonna use some loose powder to set the areas that I've concealed, like my under eyes and the T-zone. For my brows, I'm using the Etude House Drawing Eyebrows in shade Dark Brown. As you can see, my eyebrows are looking very bad, not even, and it's not well managed. So I'm going to try my best to make it look as even as possible. I'm filling in the eyebrows with gentle hair-like strokes in the sparse areas and also using the spoolie to make it look groomed. I think it looks better now. So I'm going to do the same on the other eyebrow as well. I like using a lighter shade than black because it'll look way more natural. Now for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna use Nicka K eyeshadow in Autumn Spice and Mocha mix. I'm using the light brown shade from Mocha mix as the base shadow. I've already used concealer as a primer. Now I'm applying this light brown shade all over my lids. Next, I'm going to use a nice bright orange shade from Autumn Spice as my crease color. I'm starting it from the outer corner and gonna make my way inwards, not up until the inner corner but almost till 3/4 of my lid, gently blending it out and trying to create an outer V in the outer corner. Always start with a little product so that you can build your way up, but you can never remove more product. I'm blending it out nicely so that I do not have any harsh lines. I'm going to do the same on the other eye as well. I've also used the same light brown and the orange shade in my lower lash line because doing that will give you a nice complete look and it'll make your eyes pop. Again, I'm adding a little more product and blending it out really well, giving my eyes the crease and some definition. I'm going to use a nice copper shimmery shade from the Autumn Spice palette. Using my finger, I'm applying it to my lids from my inner corner up to halfway through my lids. Look at that shimmer. I'm going to use some mascara now. At this point, you can use false lashes, but I'm just using the Covergirl Clump Crusher mascara. I've also used some kajal from a Lakme, the brown kajal. I do not use black since my eyes are a bit smaller. For blush, I'm using the Sugar blush in the shade Coral Climax. It's a nice warm peachy shade. It's one of my favorite shades. To add some warmth, I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. It gives an amazing glow to your face and it smells amazing. I'm adding it to the places that I've already contoured, adding in more warmth. Since it's a dewy look, this product is perfect, else I would have used a matte bronzer from Sugar. For my nose, I'm going to use a smaller brush and going to define my nose some more because my nose is small and flat. Contouring gives my nose a much better definition, makes my nose look a bit longer. To highlight my face, I'm using the Wet n Wild Mai Tai by You a Drink. This says it's a ombre blush, but it has a shimmer pigment, so I started using this as a highlighter. So applying it under my eyebrows, on the high points of my cheek, bridge of my nose, and of course the Cupid's bow. For the lips, I'm using the NYX Monte Carlo lip cream and Nicka Sweetheart pink liner. And there you go guys, that's how I did this copper shimmery eye look. I hope you guys liked this. Do give a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.